Good night, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. So tonight I'm back with this little tutorial that I did of this custom color wig. I saw this here on Hilo Lux and I was so totally inspired to achieve this color. Like, it looks so beautiful against her chocolate tone skin. But guys, this was like an epic failure for me. I don't care what no one says at the end of seeing this here, how it actually came out. Like, this was just an epic fail for me. So this wig actually is from Arabella here, and it's a 22-inch that I received from them. And two things that you're going to use: you're going to be using the basic white, and you're going to be using a 30% developer at first. And another tip, guys, always wear gloves, because this is very harsh chemical on your hands if it even touches it. Like, it's very, very harsh, so always use gloves. As you guys can see, I went ahead and I put on my gloves. So what you're going to be, your main focus here is actually to separate the hair into sections. But my big mess up, what I did was that I separated the two highlight streaks in the front first, which I should have never done that, because the time that it took me to do the rest of the back portion of the hair, I should have left the front portion for last. So that was kind of like a try and error for me. But because it was my first time experimenting with this color and this technique, you know, you live and you learn, and you learn from your mistakes. So I know for next time, if I'm going to attempt this color, then I know exactly what attempts to take first, or what moves to make first. It's almost like you're playing a game of chess. So here I'm going in with the back half portion of the wig. So like I said, I'm working in sections, and the reason why I'm working in sections here is that I noticed that the hair lifts really, really fast. This hair is just freaking amazing. Like, I cannot stress enough how amazing Arabella hair is. Like, this took color like in so freaking fast. Not only did it take color, as you guys can see, this is the half section, and I only had the bleach on for about 15 minutes, I think it was, and I haven't even gotten to the other section, which is this section now that I'm brushing out. So I'm just working in sections. What I actually did, if you guys saw at the beginning of this video, I went in with the 30% developer first, because I didn't want to go in with the 40% as yet to have it a bit too harsh. I didn't want that. But you guys see what I'm saying here? I should have actually left the two-piece in the front at this color at this moment in time, and this was where I completely messed up, guys. This is where I totally messed up. I should have just left it here and let it rest, let it phase out. But no, I went in with more bleach. I don't know why I went in with more bleach, but I went in with more bleach, and I'm so pissed. Like, looking at the wig, I'm so pissed. So here I'm adding more developer. I don't know, it just hurts me so much to see that I actually made that error. I don't know where my mind is. Guys, if you're gonna attempt to do custom coloring, trust me, make sure that your mind is clear and your mind is not focused on anything too excessive, because you can always mess up. You're gonna mess up because you're not thinking straight. So yeah, so here I'm removing the wig off the wig head, and I think I went to my sink to wash the section that I had the bleach in previously, because I didn't want it to be too overly bleached, because I'm trying to match the colors as I go on to make sure that no section is actually bleached more than the other one. That's why you see me keep lifting the hair, just to ensure. So that is pretty much it. And here I'm on the opposite section of the wig, and I'm now applying the basic white and the developer to lift that side as well. So back to the hair quality, guys. This hair quality is amazing. Even after I bleached this hair still was not trashy. It still held the curls like freaking amazing for at least a week, or a week and a couple of days. Like, curls was still in this hair. The curl was still popping. It was literally still popping. So here I'm just working my way up from the tip to, not to the root, it's just like a semi portion on the way up. Probably, I would say this would be like 8 centimeters up, if I'm measuring that correct. I think that's what it is. And oh, another tip, whenever you're bleaching here, do not lay the brush flat when you're at your final area at the top, because you don't want that line of demarcation where it's like straight across, where it's blunt. So I always hold the brush horizontally and just streak it on a longer line coming down, so it falls more naturally. So here I'm going in with the 40% developer, and I'm going to be adding it on the front portion again of the hair, which I am going to repeat again. I did mess up with that. I did flip up with that, and we all make mistakes, guys. We all make mistakes. We're only human. We make mistakes. So yeah, so I'm gonna go in and I'm adding more bleach, which is a more stronger developer, which is the 40% developer. Look at how beautiful that color is. I don't know if I was blind that day. Why the hell didn't I leave it that shade? I don't know. Anyhow, another thing that I'm thinking to do with this wig, because I just don't like how that too straight thin in the front look. I don't think it suits me. So I think on the side of the wig, going around the head of the perimeter, almost like in a U-turn, I am going to lift that area as well, so it blends in, but it kind of does like the highlight, like a balayage. So it's gonna be like a honey brown with a medium rich brown and like a dark ash blonde. So I'm working the stuff, well, not the stuff, the developer on the tip of the hair now, and I'm working it up a bit, not all the way up. But guys, this is kind of a easy step to do once you just don't go in overboard. So tips with this: always start at the back first, and then measure, like, section out the front piece that you want and do that section for last. Save that section for last. So the video is going to be wrapping up, and you guys will be seeing how the final look came out. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, love you guys, and please leave your comments and thumbs this video up if you'd like to see more hair tutorials. Love you guys. So this is how the end result came out, and I'm absolutely loving this color. This wig from Arabella here is freaking amazing. It takes bleach like no other, and it's not trashy, which I'm really surprised. Like, even the ends, like, look at that, curls, beautiful, love it. So I am basically heading out for my staff dinner. This lash is annoying the crap out of me. But anyhow, guys, so that's just my little tutorial on how I got this hair color, this custom color, and I hope that you guys can actually learn something from it. But if you guys would like to see more videos like this, be sure to leave it in my comment section down below, and I'll be sure to bring it to you guys. So until next time, love you.